Welcome! Today we're going to cover replacing an image on aps.edu. So we're going to start by editing the page where the image lives by clicking on the edit button in the green toolbar. From there, we're going to scroll down and right click on the image we'd like to replace. Select Insert Edit Image. Right now we're in the Home folder of our department and the Images folder where all of our images live. We'll select Upload in the bottom left, then choose File and navigate to the new image. From there, we need to add a title, which is the alternative text. And then we'll click Upload. From there, we'll determine that this is an inline image, and we want the image to be full width, but you can choose other sizes here. We'll click OK, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click on Save. Now we can see the updated image, and all is well. Have a great day.